It's a sunny Monday morning. I'm in Delhi. I'm going to have popcorn and caramel popcorn, and here is my coffee. And you know who I'm meeting? Hi, Popcorn Man.
Hi Rajan, how are you doing?
Because this is your store
Yes.
and
How
a
do you like?
flagship one.
Well, yes.
How many of them do you have?
We have about 9 and there are 2 more in project stage coming up very soon.
This is exclusive.
Yes.
These are the 9 varieties of popcorn that you have.
Yes.
Can I try one?
Sure, go ahead.
So what is this? I believe you have a lot of fancy names for these popcorn.
So, not fancy, they're real names. So there is stuff like cheesy sriracha because it's a mix of cheddar cheese with sriracha spice. Then you have choco caramel.
Hang on. Which one is cheese? This one?
This is-
the one that I tasted.
Yes,
And
so
what
this is-
And what is this?
So that's confetti, which has a mix of different colors, flavors, and all that stuff. This is cheesy sriracha you were talking about, and this is coated in mushroom popcorn, which is specially imported out of US.
Okay.
And we coat it with liquid cheese.
All right.
And then make it crisp. And this is quite an unusual recipe.
Okay.
People love it. And in fact, one of our top sellers in the industry.
What if I start making this? Can I do it?
Please, absolutely, try, go ahead and do it. But I don't think so you can...
How do you stop me if I make a similar product?
So we have our own signature flavor profile on every seasoning we use, which is a little diff to, match up. And if you walk into any place and you ask for a cheese sriracha, it's typically not available. Even the sriracha spice, you would have a different heat variation available. So we have the right one, which I think is the right one we pushing.
मुझे simple language में बताओ, because मुझे ये मिलेगा कहाँ? I have tried before I came to meet you. I tried searching for popcorn company products. Online छोड़ के कहीं मिलती नहीं है.
सो पॉपकॉर्न एंड कंपनी प्रोडक्ट्स जो अवेलेबल हैं वो हमारे स्टोर्स में अवेलेबल हैं, वो क्विक कमर्स में अवेलेबल हैं, वो मार्केट प्लेसेस में अवेलेबल हैं. तो प्लेसेस लाइक अमेजोन, फ्लिपकार्ट, जियो मार्ट.
ठीक है, बट मुझे एक पॉपकॉर्न खाने के लिए अमेजन में बुक करके एक दिन वेट करना. नहीं, मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं दुकान में जाऊँ और मुझे मिल जाए.
सो वो दुकान तो देखिए ऐसा है,
वो क्यों नहीं है?
वो क्योंकि हम वी आर जस्ट अ यंग स्टार्टअप. वी स्टार्टेड लिटरली इन 19, then COVID hit, but we just come out of it. So now we are expanding very aggressively. And आज की डेट में हमारे पास तकरीबन 9 स्टोर्स हैं, 2 और आ रहे हैं तो 11 हो गए. तो आने वाले सालों में इट विल ग्रो बिग नंबर.
बड़े फेमस हो गए हो आप शार्क टैंक के बाद.
थैंक्स टू नमिता जी.
शी इज इन्वेस्टेड इन द कंपनी.
एब्सोल्युटली यस.
कितना पैसे डाले?
उन्होंने 75 लाख रुपए डाला.
आपको लगता है वो डील सही था? 15% के लिए 75 लाख, 3% रॉयल्टी, और इतना सस्ते में क्यों बेचा आप?
देखिए ऐसा है कि मुझे ना इमीडिएटली विजिबिलिटी चाहिए थी, बिकॉज वी हैड लॉस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम ड्यूरिंग द कोविड. वी वांटेड विजिबिलिटी एंड दिस वाज द राइट प्लेटफॉर्म टू गेट देयर. एंड द मोमेंट वी वर देयर, आप यकीन मानिए इतनी ज़्यादा पॉपुलैरिटी मिली.
बट अगर आप 75 लाख के लिए 15% ना भी दिए होते थे, तब भी शार्क टैंक पे जाने से आपको विजिबिलिटी मिल गया होता था.
नहीं, वो
इतना सस्ते में क्यों इक्विटी बेचा?
देखिए उन नमिता जी की अपनी एक ब्रांड इक्विटी और एक ब्रांड वैल्यू है. व्हेन शी एक्ट्स एज अ ब्रांड मैनेजर और अ ब्रांड एम्बेसडर, यू कांट इवन इमेजिन.
मैन, उससे सेल नहीं बढ़ती है. सेल बढ़ती है हार्ड कोर्स मार्केटिंग प्रोसेस, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बनाने से. किसी एक का इक्विटी लेने से सेल बढ़ जाती है?
नहीं, पर अब वो साथ जुड़ी हैं. तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन भी बढ़ेगा। हम तो लगे ही हुए हैं, वो भी लगी हुई है हमारे साथ। शी जस्ट गॉट अ लिटिल बिजी विद हर ओन IPO, बट उसके बाद शी इज ऑल विद अस, द एंटायर टीम इज वर्किंग विद अस।
आप मुझे बना के खिलाओगे या ये सब बनी हुई चीज़ खिलाओगे? Popcorn company sells 4 lakh packets every year through 11 outlets online, and you got 11 flavors, right?
Yes.
You know what, Vikas? I know why Shark Tank judges invested in your company. Popcorn is a business which is selling at the retail on 90% profit. Am I right?
You're right. 85 actually.
85,
to be more precise,
90%
85% gross. Yes.
So you're making a lot of money.
Well, looks like yes.
Yeah. तो अगर आप 120 रुपया किलो में इंपोर्ट कर रहे हो, वही चीज 100 ग्राम आप मल्टीप्लेक्स में 110 में, I want to see how you make it.
So we just put it in.
Okay.
Now it'll take about 3 minutes to pop. So I put the corn, I put the seasoning, I put the oil.
All right.
It takes about, as I said, 3 minutes and it pops out.
और
we are good to go to eat. We have it all.
Amazing. बताओ वो कहानी कितना प्रॉफिट करते हो आप? 90% प्रॉफिट किसी बिजनेस में कैसे हो सकता है?
So देखिए ऐसा पॉपकॉर्न को अगर आप देखा जाए तो it has been one of the most profitable businesses from day one in any country. So जो माना जाता है, if you look at the content available on the internet, it has a 85% gross margin because जो cost of product है that is pretty low. So हमारा जो technically food and disposable cost है इस store का, because we use premium packaging like these tins, तकरीबन 35% के आसपास।
मैं लूँ एक?
हाँ बिल्कुल ही।
कौन सा लेना चाहिए? Which is your favorite?
My favorite is chocolate, sea salt caramel, cheesy sriracha. I love these.
All right. So yeah, we're talking about
basically जो store की profitability अगर आप देखें तो मेरा food and disposable cost यहाँ पे है तकरीबन 35% के करीब।
So you guys are importing at 110, 120.
Yes.
But within that amount, you're paying a 56% import duty.
Correct.
Oh, I can hear the pops. What do you call the kernels popping?
Kernels are popping.
What a lovely sound that is.
I love this. I love the sound.
We're talking about 90% profit. A lot of my startup friends wanted me to ask you this question. Why shouldn't they get into the business of popcorn if it really has a margin of 90%? How does it work? You buy at 110 rupees a kilo, you import, and then you sell 100 grams at 110 rupees.
So, see, when you sell it in a store, there are a whole lot of other expenses. As I said, if you look at the tins, they're very premium tins. Each tin is about 20, 25 bucks.
Multiplexes is selling 100 grams
Multiplexes
at 130.
Yes.
Yeah. So, it's 90% margin straight away without packaging cost. They don't have a packaging.
Yeah. I don't have a packaging, I have a packaging.
They don't have a packaging, but they're still selling at 90%.
They have a packaging which is different kind of a packaging, which is less cost, of course. But yes, but then multiplexes survive on them. You see, because multiplex doesn't make real money on movie side of it. You know, majority of the money goes either to the distributor or to the taxes or to manage the multiplex. Sorry, 1 minute.
Vikas, सच बताओ, कौन सा गाड़ी खरीदा आपने पिछले 2 साल में? 90% मार्जिन लेके मार्क तो लेना ही चाहिए था।
बिल्कुल। गाड़ी है?
मैंने पूछा कौन सा गाड़ी?
अच्छा, गाड़ी कौन सी है?
90% मार्जिन।
नहीं, देखिए ऐसा है, 90% मार्जिन जो है वो दैट इज to basically show what kind of business there is. But as I said, when you are into a mall business or a kiosk business for malls, then 90% or 85% you left with at the end of the day about 25-30%. Because बाकी के काफ़ी खर्चे हैं ना. अब मॉल वाले जो हैं इतना मैसिव किराया लेते हैं, it is unbelievable.
That's done?
That's not.
Oh, aren't you going to taste it?
Sure. Have the real butter. So what we do is we have a mix of real butter into the oil, and that's how we blend it in.
Because saying this margin bit, a lot of players are coming in to fill in the void, right? And you have very little time in hand. Yeah, you are 56. You have to do something quickly. What's the business plan?
So the business plan is, of course, post this, do a big push on marketplaces and quick com, come immediately to modern trade, and then get into general trade. So that the path is very clear.
And for that, you need smaller packs.
Obviously,
you need to
yes.
reduce the price.
Yes.
Are Gourmet going to be selling in general trade? We do have just one brand, Act 2. There is no second player. It's all open.
Yes. So we are getting up, and we are almost there, and we know what to do, and we will do it well.
There is a lot of money that you require.
Yes.
It's a big, bad world out there.
Yes.
Setting up distributors, retailers, hiring a lot of people. A distribution setup, the failure rate of companies for distribution setup is very high. Where are you going to get the funds from?
So the funds, there are a lot of investors who want to invest in us. A lot of VCs are reaching out to us. So
Is it?
that is something which is there to help us out.
Okay. Valuation कराया कंपनी का?
हो चुका ना अभी तो मार्केट में, शार्क टैंक में हुआ.
हाँ, अभी कितना वैल्यू है?
आपने देख ही लिया शार्क टैंक का, उसके बियॉन्ड अभी मार्केट गए नहीं हम, बट VCs are reaching out. So we are looking at it. We are evaluating क्या करना है, but we'll do it at our own pace. We'll do it at our own pace.
Who do you see as your main competitor?
I honestly do not have a competitor.
Why not the company which is buying from you and building their own brand? There are companies who are buying from you and building their brand, and you are supplying to them. Why?
See, ऐसा है, if you look at my product and look at their product or look at another product, there is a phenomenal amount of difference in taste, flavor profiles, and packaging.
But is it a wise decision to give it to a competitor, to supply to a competitor, and you yourself, you're wanting to build a brand?
So that's okay ना, वो हमारा B2B supplies है, ये हमारा direct to consumer है. That company is doing their own bit, we are doing our own bit. That is not a problem. And in any case, you know, the master knows it all.
चीज बताओ विकास, 56% इंपोर्ट ड्यूटी, हम कर्नल इंपोर्ट करें ही क्यों? Why don't you guys like you who knows the business, knows the product, gets into farming of kernel?
So you're very right. We've tried n number of times. We've worked with the Indian Maize Research in the past also. Unfortunately, वो variety of popcorn नहीं निकल पाई. You know, that consistent quality of high expansion which the cinemas wanted or the gourmet popcorn wanted, वो मिलता नहीं है हमें. हम उस पे अभी भी काम कर रहे हैं. The problem is that India is a tropical country. We have a hot, humid weather.
Fair enough.
10 महीने की गर्मी है.
बट एक्चुअली इसका मतलब 110 रुपया में जो आप खरीद रहे हैं उसका कॉस्ट 60 रुपया है अगर 56% इम्पोर्ट
आप सही
निकाल
कह
दिया
रहे हैं.
गया.
हाँ. तो आप अगर इंडियन कॉर्न भी देखें आज की डेट में, वो भी तकरीबन 60 और 75 और 80 रुपए के बीच में बिकता है. हमने कोशिश किया कॉर्न को यहाँ उगाने के लिए, बट वो जैसे मैंने बोला विंडो 2 महीने का है, बिकॉज इंडिया में 10 महीने की गर्मी है, 2 महीने की सर्दी है.
Well, you can always do it in the hills.
You can do it, but then consistency, commitment, एक वॉल्यूम बिल्ड करते टाइम लगता है. सो जब तक वो नहीं आएगा तो हो नहीं पाएगा. बट लोग लगे हुए हैं बनाने के लिए, कोशिश करने के लिए, उगाने के लिए. अभी तक सक्सेस मिला नहीं है. ये वर्किंग ऑन इट.
I believe there was an attempt by Haldiram to take over your company.
No, there was no attempt.
So क्या था कहानी?
नहीं, वो basically they reached out to us to white label to help them develop their product. That's all about it.
Because none of the big players apart from Act 2 has a corn packaged product.
You're right.
वो क्यों? आपके पास क्यों है, या 4000 BC जो आपसे खरीद रहे हैं उनके पास क्यों है और हल्दीराम के पास क्यों नहीं है?
मेरे को उसकी वजह पता नहीं है, बट आई नो अबाउट मी. We've done it, and we've
So
put
what's
some.
that secret? A company like Haldiram or Lay's or BKG for that matter.
So सुनने में आया है कि उन्होंने कोशिश करी थी. They could not do it right.
क्यों?
That's what I hear it.
क्यों? क्या
मुझे नहीं
स्किल
पता.
आपके पास है जो उनके पास नहीं है? With all the people and the variety of products that they make.
That those companies can tell you. I have
What's
honestly.
your gut feel? What is that you think they don't have?
See, देखिए उनकी ना प्रोडक्ट प्रोफाइल वैसे ही बहुत लार्ज है. So that could be one of the reason that उनका इतना फोकस नहीं है उस प्रोडक्ट में.
But वो करना चाहते हैं. Because this
Did you
industry
hear
is
that?
growing.
Did you-
Oh yeah, this industry is growing at a rate of 20% annually.
I think I'll reach out to them.
So would you want to sell out your stake to a company like Haldiram? Who's very
We are
keen
very
on-
very small. I don't think so. They would be keen in us. They're a huge corporation. मुझे नहीं पता, but happy to look at it. I don't
You're
know.
very famous. So what makes you famous? मीडिया क्यों आपको इतना स्पेस देती है? आपको पॉपकॉर्न मैन क्यों कहते हैं? If you're so small and you're so humble, so why are you darling of the media?
So देखिए पॉपकॉर्न मैन प्रॉब्ली इसलिए कहते हैं कि when the multiplex industry was starting up, we were the first ones to help company set up the system. जैसे PVR का पहला मल्टीप्लेक्स आया तो we were probably the first ones to help them give the popcorn machines, the setup, the supplies, the seasoning. उसके बाद the industry went like this, exponential growth.
Why didn't you get out of that
No, I haven't-
multiplex business?
No, I'm not.
But your space was, a large part of your space was taken away by Bonaco, a company called
No,
Bonaco.
no. We're still there.
Acha?
We're still there. We still have a massive share. Banaco is yet another company which is probably there. I don't know them. They may be there. But we still have a massive market share. A massive market share.
In the multiplex.
Yes. As
you're
I
not
say,
selling with your brand.
we literally have a 99.9% market share in the cinema industry. I couldn't be more specific about it.
All right. And who do you see as your closest competitor
In what business?
in the popcorn retail consumer product business?
So direct competition, I don't foresee any, honestly, because of the product I sell. Believe me, you're going to see products which I'm going to launch. Probably people will learn from us. Okay, but I don't see a direct competition. And yeah,
A founder like you, what is a better option to have a professionally managed investor-led company who doesn't allow the family to step in, or make the business grow slowly and hand it over to the next generation?
no. I believe in the first one. Obviously,
But they
because
would they would treat your daughter as another
I
profession.
don't want them. I mean, it is their wish. If they want to come in, they come in. I don't want to push them in this business.
But so much of hard work, 30 years of
So
learning
what?
the trade.
Doesn't make a difference.
Wouldn't want to give it to the next generation?
Ideally,
Why
I would
give it
want
to
to
investors?
No, ideally, I would want to. See, I also got to look at my kids' interests. If they're keen, they're most happy to join
I'll
me.
have that question reserved for your wife.
Okay.
You got to have her on the show a
Sure.
little while later, right? I want to understand, what does she want as a mother? She wants to hand over the fruits of labor to her daughter or to an investor in exchange of money. All right, I've got with me today a fabulous woman. Guess who? Manisha. How is it to be founder of Popcorn Company?
Hi Rajan. I really wouldn't call myself a co-founder. I am the partner in the company, Popcorn and Company, yes. But Vikas is the founder. I'm working towards making it a success. The company is completely Vikas's brainchild, his passion, his dream. I'm not going to belittle it by saying
Is this a couple strategy to keep rifts apart? कि भैया फाउंडर तो एक ही होगा, झगड़ा ना हो,
आप कह सकते हैं,
है ना?
कह सकते
Is
हैं.
it a couple of strategy?
No. I'm going to butt in between. It's seriously not. It's seriously, Popcorn and Company is a company made with passion. Vikas's passion with popcorn. It's seriously, his passion, and nobody has the right to take it away.
मुझे secret पता है. मुझे एक secret पता है. All right. So the inside story is that she's handling the finance of the company.
That's correct. So, see, you can never run any company by yourself. You always need a pillar of support next to you. So, the lady here handles the entire finance.
Manisha, you're yourself coming from a very large corporation, Steel Authority of India Limited. What kind of expertise do you bring from very large company into a smaller organization, a startup like this?
I started working alongside him a long time ago now. We got married in 2002 and I quit my job in 2004 and then I joined. It was a small company that time. So, I started looking at the back end and gave it the systems since I had that experience, the planning part of it. And then it's now I have more experience working for this company. It's how we've grown the company together.
You're a mother of two lovely daughters. Would you want them to inherit this company? इतना साल आप दोनों लगाए, मेहनत का कमाई, क्या आप इन्वेस्टर का हाथ में देना चाहेंगे? In exchange of big monies, investors will always fetch you big monies, but you lose management control.
Honestly, I'm not sentimental about things at all. They have to live their lives. It's their decision completely.
But given a choice, you see the entire Marwari generation,
I'm not a Marwari.
वो कभी भी बाहर का लोगों को नहीं चाहते लाए आए.
So if I don't want that the company should go to an investor, it's only because it's his passion, not my girls, and they're big enough to realize that. If they want the company, they can come forward and tell us. Till now, they have not indicated that to us. They're lying.
Yeah, but are you?
No.
I have to understand the founder's mindset, the mother's mindset.
No.
Any organization, the fruits of labor is so huge, so much of memories, nostalgia. Do you want to one day move away like the Flipkart owner, hand over to an investor, big ticket monies, and do something else in life? But and look all around and see, hey, the brand is so big. Once upon a time, I was the founder.
I'm seriously not sentimental about anything at all, and I would want them to live their lives. The only thing, as I said, again, I'm repeating myself. I was not very convinced that we should hand over this company to investor, and I wouldn't have wanted anybody's interference simply because it's his dream project. And
but बिना पैसे का company चलती नहीं.
I get that, but no, not for my daughters at all.
All right. He won one of the startup contests on TV. You were not present in the contest when it was happening, the shoot was happening. You perhaps saw it later on TV. There were moments when some of the judges were rude, heckled him, to the extent of misbehaved. Were you angry, upset? What was your first reaction when you saw? I mean, at the end of the day, he's an entrepreneur. It's however small he may be. But somebody comes up and says, one of the judges, I've not heard your name. Who are you?
I was and I still am upset. Believe me, I saw it at the screening. After that, I have never ever gone back and seen the episode again. I can't take it.
And there are a lot of people like you.
I couldn't take it and I can't take it now also.
But a lot of founders share your sentiment about this contest, but they still can't resist the lure of fame by participating in this contest. So are we trivializing business by participating in contests?
Maybe yes, we are, but you know, it's all part of the journey. In some ways, it has become essential. I mean, without the
Are we trivializing serious business by participating in startup contests on TV?
I think let's reword this question.
anything to succeed. What is trivializing? Anything to succeed in business. If it gives you the success, the right market, the right exposure, why not? Why not? And, you know, just somebody saying something to you or, you know, demeaning you, you know, in search of TRPs in front of doesn't really make you that, you know. It still gives you that, as they say, negative publicity is also publicity. And if people want to get that, and there are a lot of them who do a lot of other things to get that, why not?
All right.
Getting the publicity, why not the contestant?
So you're playing the game. Yeah?
Absolutely. You have to be ruthless.
Okay. Okay, what is this? Hashtag no naked popcorn. Whose ideation was this? No naked popcorn. What is naked popcorn?
So basically, you know, we are trying to push gourmet popcorn to people, and gourmet popcorns are technically covered and coated with a lot of seasoning, slurry, and all that stuff. What India has seen so far is what I call a naked popcorn, which is a butter popcorn. We wanted people to step up and start enjoying the other seasoning and the flavors and the coatings of popcorn which are available in
This is naked popcorn.
This is naked popcorn, you're right.
And what is not?
So it's yes. So this is not naked. If you see, it has the color,
Alright.
it has a coating, it has a flavor, it has a seasoning. So there is a whole lot which goes on.
Can you really sell this in the very, very large Indian general trade market? Is there a general trade market where we go to buy soaps and detergents and milk and we do not find popcorn except for one brand, Act 2? Can you really sell this in those stores?
Oh, absolutely.
This is expensive.
Well, there are versions where we can bring you better in price. And obviously price improves with the kind of volumes we'll handle. So we can do it. And there is a phenomenal amount of market. Trust me, people have not seen this. People have still not seen it in B-class towns, C-class. When they come in and try this on a store, they buy in bulk and take it home. For them, the name may be different, but they still love it. They love the clothes on it. They love the coating on top of it.
Manisha, are you ready for some couple of questions? Yeah? Do you guys fight in office? Honest.
Absolutely.
No sugar-coated.
Yes, we do.
You do? So, how's it?
We talk it out, and to be very honest, with both the companies, you know, when we were talking behind the scenes, you only were saying his word is on the thing. So this his baby. In fact, not just this company, even the earlier. He started it, and I give it to him because it's his vision. I tend to think of myself as that I'm, you know, there are times when when I'm angry, that's how I control myself, and I'm finally working from him. He's the boss.
So, who is the arbitrator between two of you? Somebody has to make the other person understand.
We've been very fortunate, this is not diplomatic, we've been very fortunate that we established understanding between us right from the first day. So we we don't really need an arbitrator.
And-
both are not the kind who carries.
She controls the finance. So when you want to spend some money, which you know is right, in say advertising, promotion, some kind of packaging, she comes from a cut and dry industry. PPC is still Authority of India Limited, doesn't understand branding, and you know, gosh, what do I do with my lady? So how do you make her understand? And she doesn't want to release that check.
You're right. It happens quite a lot of times. But
Most of the fights take place.
it happens quite a lot of times. But you know, one has to then sell internally first before you go out and sell. So that's what we do. I mean, I try and convince her, try and tell her, and that's how we take it up.
And time you have a CEO who is an arbitrator who comes and says that this is right, and
as
the
she
promoters-
says, no. We have a very, very clear understanding that you know, we started amongst ourselves. There is no arbitrator required at all.
Manisha, that was Vikas earlier, and this is who he is today. कितना weight lose किया उन्होंने?
Close to 40 kg.
किसके inspiration था? कोई girlfriend थी बीच में?
I am doubting that. I think थी. तभी कुछ हुआ है.
कैसे पता चला आपको?
One fine day he suddenly decided कि मैंने weight lose करना है.
और तब अच्छा
And our entire world turned upside down because ये नहीं खाना, वो नहीं खाना, ये नहीं करना, वो नहीं करना, and the only male in a family of all females, 2 daughters, a wife, a mother, the maids, all doting on him and you know making food the way he wanted to, and he did it. So I'm wondering what triggered it, you know. Now that you're asking me, actually I'm wondering what triggered it.
विकास क्या हुआ था?
बस वो एक दिन अचानक मन में आया, लूज करना है. कोई सामने शक्ल नजर आई
आई थी
और कर डाला.
अब बता ही दो यहाँ लड़की का नाम
छोड़
क्या
दो
था?
अब उसको.
Okay, on the serious note, लोग ये खाते हैं ये सोच के कि this is hygiene food, this is low carb, no oil, but is it really, I mean, does it have medicinal values? इसके अंदर तेल तो है, artificial flavors है.
सो तेल है, आर्टिफिशियल फ्लेवर नहीं है, पहली बात. दूसरी बात ये है, आप जब भी कोई खाना खाते हैं 80% ऑफ द खाना जो होता है वो तेल में ही बनता है, ऑफ कोर्स. तो उस हिसाब से तेल तो होगा ही होगा. इट इज नॉट, आई वोंट से इट्स अनहेल्दी. सो इट हैज एन एलिमेंट ऑफ ग्रेन which is required to keep your body healthy. It has a lot of iron, it's iron rich, so it is again very good for your body. So it's not unhealthy, it's good for your health.
ये क्या मुमकिन है कि पॉपकॉर्न खा के कोई दुबले हो जाए?
बिल्कुल है. मेरे पास एक शख्स है जो मेरे पास आए थे एंड ही बॉट पॉपकॉर्न फ्रॉम मी. तो मैं उनको पूछा क्या करते हो आप, तो उन्होंने बोला कि मैं आजकल नाश्ते में, लंच में और डिनर में पॉपकॉर्न ही खा रहा हूँ, और पिछले 6 महीने में उन्होंने पॉपकॉर्न खाया और तकरीबन 30 किलो वजन लूज कर लिया.
But that cannot be the flavored and tasty popcorns. I'm sure those are minus the oil that you serve.
No.
Whatever,
So he was
whatever
doing
you
the
guys
spiritual
serve
way.
is with the oil.
So listen, oil is not bad for health. Let's not make it a bad hero.
I'm talking from the weight loss. You are my inspiration.
नहीं, but आप weight loss में भी
You
बात कर रहे
are
हो
my
तो-
inspiration. I'm loving your pictures. कैसे हुआ?
देखिए आप
Popcorn
वेट
खा
लॉस
के
में
हुआ-
भी, देखिए वेट लॉस में भी आप ऑयल तो खाते ही हैं. So it's not a bad thing at all. If you have it within a reserved quantity, it is good for your health. So इसमें इतना कोई ऑयल
वो
है.
पॉपकॉर्न कैसे होना चाहिए? The kind of popcorns that you serve in your stores, or we have to buy your kernels and microwave them without oil?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, देखिए अगर आप बिना तेल के पॉपकॉर्न खाएंगे तो आपको पॉपकॉर्न खाने का मजा ही नहीं आएगा. It's like it tastes like a styrofoam. You know, you'll keep chewing and you'll get nothing out of it. So basically हमारे पास ना ये 2-3 किट्स हैं, जैसे मिनी मूवी नाइट किट है. तो इसके अंदर क्या है, हम इसके अंदर सिर्फ कर्नल्स देते हैं, सीजनिंग देते हैं, पाउचेस देते हैं. आप ऑयल जैसा पसंद करें घर में, आप उसको वैसे यूज करें. आप अगर चाहते हैं ऑर्गेनिक, आप चाहते हैं कोल्ड प्रेस, आप चाहते हैं ऑलिव, आप चाहते हैं रेगुलर ऑयल, आप वो यूज करिए. कैसे बनाना चाहते हैं, कुकर में या माइक्रोवेव में, वो भी आप अपने आप यूज कर सकते हैं. सो इट इज अप टू यू. हाउ डू यू वांट टू मेक इट एंड कंज्यूम इट. दैट्स इट.
Us, prior to starting your company, when you were a young man, at some point of time you were heading Wimpus. What are the 3 things that you brought to your company, having learned from the failure of Wimpus? What is that learning that you applied to your own company?
So when I left Wimpy, it did not fail that time. It was growing. When I joined Wimpy, it was 2 restaurants and we took it to 30 restaurants. And I left at the 30th one. उसके बाद क्या हुआ वो मुझे नहीं पता है. But
What's your assessment? Why does a brand like that fail? And what is that you need to do from that learning for your own brand?
what I would assume is, and what I hear is that one, they had some issues with the
No, I'm not
rights.
talking about them. I'm talking about your learning there and how are you applying for your own company.
So मैंने तो बिल्कुल विम्पीज का काम यहाँ छाप दिया. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. विम्पीज में जो सीखा वो मैंने यहाँ छापा है.
वो क्या चीज था?
काफ़ी चीज़ें थी. डेडिकेशन था, फोकस था, प्रोडक्ट अप्रोच थी, हाउ टू डिलीवर द बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट. आई हैड सम ऑफ द बेस्ट बॉसेस इन विम्पी who trained me to be what I am today. I am so very thankful to those people. They've taught me things which I still don't see in the market.
You know, one amazing fact about your company is that you don't charge franchisee fees. Because one amazing fact about Popcorn Company is that you don't take royalty from your franchises. So how do you guys make money?
So देखिए ऐसा है, we are basically having a format where we charge them for a sign-up fee, against which we give them designs, know-how, equipment and everything, and then we have an equipment cost, and then we have royalty. Royalty हम charge नहीं करते हैं. The only reason it's a low cost, low margin business, but with numbers and the volumes you make money, and we want people to have their own businesses in their own areas. That is the reason we don't charge a royalty.
But why is that your franchisee numbers are growing so damn slowly?
That is because the market was dead so far. You see, because of the COVID, people are affected very, very badly when it comes to hospitality industry or food industry. There has not been a massive growth in this side of the business. अभी जाके from past about a week, 10 days or a month, I've started seeing a spurt of leads and inquiries where now people want to get back to hospitality, want to get back into food business, want to get back into food outlets. So we are taking on to that curve now.
Because you've one big player, Act 2. I'm talking about the mass market, where there are volumes. Whichever brand stands up to Act 2 fetches investors' attention, valuation goes up by leaps and bounds, and there are three players who are trying that very hard. Punit Garg of Bombay, Vinu Akola of Vinagro, he's from Hyderabad. He's in fact gone backward doing the farming, trying to do the farming as well. And of course Chirag Gupta, 4700 BC, who is also your buyer. From who do you think between these three are your big competitors? Act 2 is still far away. Between these three, who are you pitted against?
So at this stage, since we are at an early stage, as I said earlier, I don't have a competitor. I operate in a segment which is gourmet, which is international taste and flavor. So per se, I do not have a competitor. Once I grow, my marketing strategies and philosophy would change. I'm sure these guys will come on the way, and we look at it. I am ready to take it on. I mean, there is nothing.
But between these three, who do you think is the real challenge in the mass market?
I don't see them as a challenge.
How do you make customers buy your product? लोग क्यों पॉपकॉर्न कंपनी का एक पैकेट हाथ से उठा के दुकानदार से मांगेंगे?
नहीं, हम तो दुकान पे है ही नहीं.
आप जाने वाले
बेसिकली आप आएंगे.
क्या कंपेलिंग रीजन होगा?
सो कंपेलिंग रीजन तो बेसिकली यही होगा
या ऑनलाइन पे भी क्यों कोई खरीदेगा आपको?
देखिए, ऑनलाइन पे तो देखिए ऐसा है कि हमारे से ज्यादा क्विक कमर्स पुशेस यू टू सेल. उनको जहां लगता है कि प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी अच्छी है, उनके मार्जिन अच्छे हैं, कंपनी उनके साथ एडवर्टाइजिंग कर रही है, तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली उसको पुश करके फ्रंट पेज पे ले आते हैं. एंड देयर इज ऑल्सो एन एआई व्हिच वर्क्स. They have their own algorithms which works.
The fact that you're trying to build a brand, you must have also devised some thought on how to make consumers buy.
So we are working on the below the line activities right now. We have our own activity on our Instagram, our Facebook. We have direct mailing exercise. We have our own community of people whom we keep sending messages. We have some direct mailing addresses. We have a huge database of people whom we are reaching out directly to engage and talk and then sell.
Popcorn traditionally is considered a companion for movies, but it's now moving beyond that. I mean, it's replacing perhaps a potato chips as a takeaway.
Yes.
For drives, for parties, for hunger, for anything. How do you make that packet accessible to customers? मुझे भूख लगा है, मुझे आपका पॉपकॉर्न लेना है. I've tasted this. This is so good. पर मुझे मिलती नहीं है दुकान. तो मुझे मिलेगा कैसे?
See, देखिए, as I said, we are a small company right now. We are stepping, we are growing, we have huge plans. We are getting into modern trade and general trade very soon. जब वो आएगा, our thought process is to be right next to a potato chip. So when a consumer is there in that aisle, he has a choice whether he wants to eat this or a popcorn. And that is the place we are working on. We are working on that spot, and we will be there very soon. And we are working on our own marketing strategies to build that kind of a pull.
How much of war kitty do you require to set up, say, a North India distribution of general trade? कितने पैसे चाहिए? आपको लगता है एक ब्रांड के लिए 6 नॉर्थ इंडिया स्टेट में डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बनाने के लिए डेप्थ के साथ, जहां सैकड़ों शहर, सैकड़ों दुकान में माल अवेलेबल हो, ब्रांड अवेलेबल हो?
सो मतलब जो हमने कैलकुलेशन करी थी, वो आज की रेट में तकरीबन, अगर मेरे को नॉर्थ कवर करना है, तकरीबन 5 से 6 करोड़ की है. So if I have that kind of money available, I can go a very great amount of distribution.
पैसे तो है, आप खर्चा करने नहीं देते. फाइनेंस आप देखते, 5-6 करोड़ तो कुछ भी नहीं है.
ਵਧੀਆ ਬਾਤ
All right, so you've got a great partner, Gold Medal. All right, it's one of the leading brands in the United States, and they're available in a lot of other countries. So you have been associated with them buying equipments when they have packaged popcorns, they have carts. Why aren't you forging an alliance with them? You have a head start. Your competitors do not have a head start like that.
So the only reason, so first of all, we have been associated with Gold Medal for nearly 3 decades now. That's how we've achieved our position of market leaders in the cinema industry. Why we haven't really bought into, ready to eat product? Because FSSAI is now ramped up and come up with some very, very stringent laws and also certifications. And once these products are available here, I don't think so I need to get them here. What I'm doing is I'm getting the basic stuff from Gold Medal and making it here and then selling it to the consumer. But I'm still using Gold Medal Profiler products.
What's the next step?
So they've done a brilliant job. One, we're learning from them. That's two. We're using their strength of building that stuff in India. And hopefully you'll see it soon. As I said, we are a fairly young company and we've just stepped up in the world. So you will see lots of things happening from us.
Manisha, are you a proud woman?
Very proud.
Kiske liye? How do you know what's in my mind when I asked you, are you a proud woman? I didn't ask him.
Myself, I'm very proud about him. I'm very proud about my daughters. I'm very proud about where we are and what we are, what kind of humans we are.
Would you have married him had he been a vice president in Wimpy's and not in business?
I didn't marry, I married the person. I did not marry his position. And it was an arranged marriage. We hit it off immediately and we got married.
Arranged marriages are more, fit to the bill kind. So you married an entrepreneur. Yes. Would you have married a working professional?
I'd liked him, I would have.
What kind of baggages does a man like Vikas Suri, with so much of struggle, setting up and running a business, come with in the marriage?
He has absolutely no time for the family, but he's one of those people who still makes out time. So he doesn't get time to himself. When we were bringing, that is a baggage because all throughout when the kids were growing up and he needed to give time to them, he kept on saying, I don't get time to myself. I didn't say it. He was the one who kept on saying it.
Irritating.
Very irritating.
Agonizing. Between irritation and agonizing, which one was?
No, it was irritating because I also never got time to myself. I was working, I was bringing up children, had his mom was there, his nanny was with us. My parents, I suddenly lost my parents in between, and his mom fell.
And he's a first generation business.
He's the first generation business, and his entire family.
And the life of a founder is very stressed.
It was
Because he's always on the edge. Any founder, that it may succeed, it may not. It may succeed, it may not.
Absolutely.
And what if it doesn't? Do I get a job back in the industry?
Yes, so
Did that haunt you?
absolutely. You can imagine, I left a secure government job. People ask me till the day.
In sale.
People still ask me, were you sane when you quit? You could have. But yes, we were willing to take that risk.
Does he pay you a salary?
Do I pay his salary?
You control the finance. All right. So
Finance actually doesn't come in between us. Money doesn't come in between us at all. There's no my money or his money.
So coming back about the insecurities of marrying a founder, so-called. So there are a lot of couples who marry, I mean the girl from the girl's side, who marry against the wish of their parents because typically a woman's father wants a girl to marry either a settled guy in job or a settled guy in business, right? He was neither. So what kind of resistance did you face from your parents, or you didn't?
In fact, my father was all out for it. I mean, I might have still for a moment thought, but my father was like, you won't get a better person then. So no, there was no such, no resistance at all, absolutely not. And there was no thought.
What was
no
it?
thought when we were getting married, because you see, I was in a very secure job. It was only later that I decided to leave. And he was doing fairly, I mean, the company was doing fairly okay. There was no such ambition of, being marrying a multi-millionaire or a millionaire. He was doing fairly well, and the family was good. He was nice. It was all hunky dory. So why?
What is
Anything else?
what is the couple ambition today? Not your, the couple ambition with the company. All right. Okay. To give you leads, is it setting up a very large company, large turnover, being a media darling? Is it option 2, leading a happy life with a moderate company? What is the couple ambition?
I guess it's leading a happy life with a brilliant business. I don't know whether it's medium or large, but leading a happy life with a brilliant business.
In business, can any businessman lead a happy, content life? There's always friction, struggle. Even if you're big, you have bigger problems in hand.
No, I don't look at it that way, honestly. My thought process has changed over a period of years, and today I think that everything can be controlled. You need to put systems and processes in place, and it gets controlled. You have to give your people leverage to work, and it gets under control. So you don't have to take everything on yourself. You have a team of people who help you achieve your goals. So you do it.
What during times of stress, what is that you tell him? Let's keep it small, let it grow organically the way it's growing, or you push him to do things bigger?
Honestly, I tell him to keep it small. I'm not really looking for big things. As you said, all I want is a happy, contented life, which I've had till now, but which I would like to continue, and to, lead a comfortable life. But if he has ambitions, I'm not even going to stop him. If he wants to take it forward and make it a big company, I'm not going to stop him.
Manisha, is this all these lovely packs that you've put on the table? Are these gifts for me? Do I take them away?
You know you're talking to somebody who handles the finance. You feel free to buy anything. I'll give you a nice discount, and that's about it. Nothing comes. Nothing comes.
This is so rude.
She
So
knows
very
you're my
rude.
best pal. She's giving you a discount. De do yaar. He's a good friend of mine. Give him a good discount at least.
Okay, I can give him a good discount, but that's it.